Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Bluetooth shooting grip with wireless remote commander, no cables required, from Sony, the model GP-VPT2BT. I like this name. And it is compatible with the Sony ZV-10. I have made a video about this vlogging camera. You can check down below the description or after the end of this video. Now let's talk about this shooting grip. Remote control buttons are easily accessible while holding the grip for smooth, intuitive operation. Flexible tilt function with quick, easy direction changes. You can position the camera for subject or selfie stills or movies. With 90 degrees lock positions also make it possible to shoot in vertical orientation with optimum stability. And of course it's a tripod too. Spread the grip cleverly integrated legs and it becomes a handy, stable tripod, leaving both hands free for vlogging and other applications. And it has a dust and moisture resistant. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product. Use it with my ZV-10 and see how it works. Manual, of course, if you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. A lovely bag, nice, I like it. The battery, it is CR2032. Ooh, nice. I like this matte grip, feels very nice in my hand. Rubber fit. Sony logo. You can have it at this position. Of course you can adjust it, make some adjustments. Rubber around here. You can connect that at your camera with this wheel around. It will be more easy for screwing this shooting grip at the camera. Now here it is, the flip button, flips around the mounted camera. Angle adjusting button, adjust the angle of the grip. The photo button, the C1 button, zoom and zoom button. The movie button, record. The lock switch disables the remote commander function to prevent unintentional camera operation. And let's open these legs, and here we can install the battery. First we need to pull this switch at the left and then the other switch down and open the cover. And I can see around we have this rubber. Definitely prevent any dust and water to go at the compartment where is the battery. Press and that was all, it locks. And here it is, the adjustment wheel. Adjust feel for changing the angle of the grip. Unlock, and let's pair it with my camera. Now let's go at the Bluetooth settings. Connection, Bluetooth settings, Bluetooth function on, pairing, and at the unit just press the photo and the T button for 7 seconds. And there it is, allow connection for the device. Okay, we have a red LED, it's flashing, connected. So easy. And of course now we need to connect this unit at the camera. Let's remove my adapter for my tripod. And then, so easy to connect. That goes here. With this wheel, it makes it so easy, the connection. Perfect. And that was all. I like it. It looks great. Wow. Bluetooth, it is on. Let's go at the menu of the camera. Network 2. Bluetooth remote control, it is off. Turn it on. And now we can use all these buttons. Take a photo. Start recording. Stop recording. Zoom. And zoom. C1 button. Background defocus or clear. And disable from here. Now the C1 button, it is here at the camera. You can adjust it from the menu if you want to do other functions with this C1 button. And of course you can lock, and that's how you cannot use any of these buttons. LED is not turning on. Unlock. Now let's go at the menu, and we need to go at the movie one, and then custom keys, background defocus. If you want to choose the function when you are pressing the C1 button, choose what is the best for you. There are so many. For me, I think the background defocus, it is okay for now. Let's go back, and then let's go at the remote zoom speed. I have choose the fix and the slowest, because if you choose more than one, let's say 4, it will go faster, the zoom. Yep, just pressing once and it goes so fast. Here we can see it. For me, it is better in the lowest speed, and choose fix. And of course, it is very easy to adjust that by pressing this button, the angle up and down. From here, unscrew and that. And it can go all the way down. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 adjustments. Okay, definitely you will find the correct adjustment and use it. And then you can tighten this screw after making the adjustments. And that was all. And with this button, just press it, you can rotate the camera for selfie. You can rotate 360 degrees. That is very helpful. You don't have to unscrew from the base and readjust it, just press this button. I like it. It looks great. I like this texture. It is a little bit pricey. I have just mentioned when I made the video for the ZV-10 camera, I have bought the camera about 850 euros, and together was the wireless microphone and this remote control. I think the price was very good. And with one hand, you can take a photo. Start recording. Zoom and zoom. C1 button, background defocus and clear. Stop recording. So easy to use with your hand, with one hand. You can use it for product reviews, live streaming, as a webcam, for outdoors or indoors use, and selfie shooting. I like the adjustment of the angle and the rotation 360 degrees, definitely are very helpful. Buttons are accessible very easy with one hand to use. I only have this shooting grip with a wireless remote commander only for 2-3 days. I will use it more and see how it goes. And with that saying, my viewers, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.